G'day, my name's Pete, and today I'm going to be working on this jade tree forest that I did 4 months ago, 20 weeks. About 20 weeks ago I worked on this tree last. I'm just going to refine it up a bit more today. I'll just give it a spin around for you so you can see it. I haven't trimmed it at all since I put it in here, but I wanted it to firm up, hold themselves up without the bricks, which it's now doing. This one here I think I still need to hold up straight up a bit more yet, but it's okay. And yeah, so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to shape it all up, and we'll start with this front tree and work our way along. So what I'm going to do is I'm looking left and right, left and nothing, a right, a left. So I want a right, left, so this one here's got to go. This one here is the in front, and it's way too long, so I'm going to bring that right back to here. It may end up going all together, but I'll keep it for a while and I will decide. Bottom dweller can go, but yeah. So I'm just going to shape it up. I actually like adding the music to the clip as I'm cutting, so I'm just going to clip away and add my music. Enjoy. So I don't like how much this one's leaning, so I'm going to sit it in its spot with this brick supporting it from behind, like so, just until it strengthens itself up to stay up more upright, because I want it up like that. But that's basically it for today. I'm going to put some lead sinkers on a couple of these to bring them down, and otherwise I'm just going to let it go now. I've got definite branches of these trees now that I like. I'm actually thinking of repositioning these two. Next time I do it, I'll move this tree over here further, different angle, so they're not interfering. That's why I'm not getting rid of them, all the branches. But I think that's okay. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one.